Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech language pathologist and author of the book I Can Say the R Sound and also Coarticulation for the R Sound, and this is what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to show you how to use coarticulation to elicit a final vocalic R. This video is perfect for SLPs and students to watch together. It's designed for students who are already able to say initial prevocalic R words such as red, run, or rabbit, but they're having difficulty with final vocalic R words such as car, her, or door. So what we're going to do is we're going to take those tricky ending R words and pair them with the initial R words that you can already say. For example, car and red. Let's get started. I'm going to help you say the word car with a really good ending R sound. But we have to do some silly steps first, and we're going to use the word red to help us because you already know how to say that. We're going to start by saying ka, red. I'm going to say it first, and you say it after me. Ka, red. You try. Good job. Now we're going to make those closer together. Car, red. I'm going to say it first, and you say it after me. Car, red. You try. Good. Now we're going to make them so close together that they're touching. Car red. So I'm going to say it first and you say it after me. Car red. You try. Great. Now the next step is getting rid of the ed in the word red, but we can still whisper it to help us. So I'm going to say car red and you say it after me. Are you ready? Car red. You try. Good. Now we're going to do it again, but we're not going to whisper the ed and red. We're just going to mouth it and pretend to say it, but we're not actually going to say it. So I'll do it first and you do it after me. Car. You try. Great job. And last, we're just going to say car. I'll say it first and you say it after me. Car. You try. Great job. You're doing so great, but sometimes we need a little extra practice, and that's extra fun. So I'm going to take all the visuals that we just went through and I'm going to throw them up on the screen, and you can pause it and look at all those visuals and practice again by yourself. But keep watching after that because we're going to practice some different words. You did such a good job saying car red. I think you're ready to practice some more words. I'm going to say them first and you say them after me. Ready? Car rest. You try. Good. Let's do the next one. Car rat. You try. Two more. You say it after me. Car run. You try. Last one. Car ring. You try. Great job. You did all these words. Now let's change it up again. Instead of saying car, let's say the word her. We're going to pair that word with other initial R words. I'll say it first and you say it after me. Her rain. You try. Her rug. You try. Her rip. You try. Good work. We only have two more. Her rock. You try. Last one. Hurried. You try. Great job. that's all for now. I hope you had fun watching this video. I hope it helped you feel more confident with that tricky R sound. My book that I was doing with you, Coarticulation for the R sound, has lots of pages to practice, so you can download this book at peachiespeechie.com if you want even more practice. And now that we're done, I think we should wake up Ducky. What do you think? Should we wake him up? Let's wake him up. Ducky, wake up and say hi to everybody. Oh, look at his cute little face. I think he's still sleepy. Bye.